Hi everyone! Welcome to Tamilan AI, the place where we explore cool and useful AI tools. In this video, I'm going to show you a demo of an e-commerce app using a tool called NANO BANANA. We'll see how it can create product images quickly, with the help of AI. These days, AI is used almost everywhere. But with the right tools, we can do amazing things in very little time. So, stay with me till the end to see how this powerful tool works, and how it can help you too. To use this app, we need to upload two images. One is the model image. It can be an actor, actress, or even your own photo. The second is the product image, like a t-shirt, dress, or any item you want to showcase. In this demo, I'm choosing a handsome male model and a red t-shirt as the product. After uploading, we also need to write a prompt. This is like giving instructions to the AI so it knows what to do. For example, we can write, "Add the provided t-shirts on the model body, aligning naturally with his body. Ensure the correct size." This helps the AI understand how the final image should look, more realistic and perfect for your e-commerce needs. Now, the image generation might take a little time, so just be patient. And here it is. Look at the result. Wow! The product image fits perfectly on the model's body and looks so natural. It's like a real photo shoot, but done completely with AI. Once the image is ready, you can download it directly or even open it using a URL. Super easy to share or upload to your e-commerce site. This makes product showcasing faster, cheaper, and way more efficient. Alright, now I'm going to pick a different product image. Let's go with a black t-shirt. I'll use the same prompt as before, and click on the Generate Fusion button. It might take a few seconds to process, but then it will generate the final image. By the way, this is powered by NANO BANANA, which uses Gemini 2.5 FlashImage. That's Google's latest image generation model. And there it is. The image is ready. It looks really cool and turned out just the way we wanted. Now I'm going to change the model image. This time, I'll select another handsome male model. I'll keep the same product image and use the same prompt. We should get a similar result, just like before. In the same way, I'm going to test this by changing multiple model images, both male and female. I'll also try different types of product images, like glasses, jewelry, dresses, and more. No matter what combination I use, the results are always amazing. Make sure to watch the full demo till the end. It will give you a better understanding of how this application works and what you can do with it. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you found it useful, please give it a like and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to Tamilan AI for more awesome AI content and the latest trending tech news.